Let's see what happens when I drag a wet brush through this watercolour painting that I made with my plotter. This is part 2, and in part 1 I painted all of these repetitions of the word existence, each one distorted by purlin noise. When all of the words were painted, I cleaned the water and I swapped the brush out for a slightly wider one, and then it's just picking up water and dragging directly through what's been painted already. The goal is to kind of blur things and see how the paint mixes together, which really leans into using watercolour as a medium. It ends up looking kind of rainy or like it's dissolving. Then I was like, maybe I could also use a bit of colour, so I programmed it to pick up some of this purpley red and then dip into the water a bunch to dilute it before going over the painting again. I feel like this kind of tied the whole thing together a bit more, and then I added a bit of yellow as well just to add some extra contrast and interest. It does feel risky doing this because the effect is quite unpredictable and obviously there's no going back. And here's a shot of each stage of the process. So here's just the original with the words, then with water, then the purpley red and the yellow. Let me know what you think.